Hello, this is Samantha Ross, Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to show you how to modify a Word document in Teams. So we are currently looking at Noah Ross's Teams. We'll go into Science 6. I'm not a fan of posts, but I am a fan of assignments. So let's go to Assignments. When students try to access assignments through posts, it normally doesn't work very well, or they can't see everything. I'm not exactly sure what the disconnect is, but let's take a look at this. So let's look at the Module 3 reviews. Okay, so these are two test reviews, and he's got two documents here, Word documents. So I'm just going to click on one of them. And I'll wait for it to open. Okay, there it is. And what you're going to find is you're not going to be able to type. Your students are not going to be able to type in this document. What they have to do is they have to come up here to edit document, and they have to either choose desktop app or edit in browser. I prefer desktop app, but sometimes that's an additional layer of technical issues. It really depends on if they have the desktop app of Word located on their school computer or not. So when I click on that, it says we're opening this in Microsoft Word, which is Tech Ease for Be Patient. Stop making your mouse go in a circle. And I'm still waiting. I haven't clicked anything else other than that I wanted to open it. It says all done. You can close this file now. Continue in browser. Try launching in Word again. I need it to open up in Word. It says it's opened on my computer. Let's see if it has. Pretty sure it hasn't. Okay, so there's the desktop app of Word starting. And I will make circles again because it's taking quite a while. Okay, so I ran into a technological snag, which is fine. Let me see if I can continue in browser. It really doesn't matter if you use browser or the desktop. You'll be able to type in either one. So let's say that I'm here and I'm Noah. Newton's 3 laws are amazing. And I'm done. Okay, I've typed all of my answers here. So what I'm going to do is, because I started in Teams, I'm just going to click Close, which is up here. And I'm going to click Turn In. This isn't late because I didn't require them to turn in. But the kids are going to turn it in. And normally there's a little animation that occurs, right? And on the teacher side, I'd love to show you, it shows that it is turned in. So that's how you modify a Word document in Teams. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to let you know. When you make these assignments for your students, basically it's like handing out a paper copy to each one of your students. So when Noah decides he's going to change the Lesson 3 review, he can change it all he wants. He can type in all of his information, but no one else is going to be able to see it. It's just like him writing on a sheet of paper and then turning it back into you. Let me know if you have any questions.